Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to balance out the following reaction in acidic medium. So the first thing that we need to identify is what is going to be the balance of the uranium atom. We're going to start from uranium 4 plus into, in this case, since oxygen is going to be always negative and it's going to be two oxygens, this is going to account to -4. To get a value for +2, we're going to need uranium to be +6. So now that we have identified that the uranium is going to be oxidized, for the case of manganese, we're going to start from manganese. In this case, it should be 7 plus into manganese 2 plus, so manganese is going to be reduced. So the half reactions are going to be the following. For the oxidation half reaction, we're going to get uranium 4 plus, that is going to go into uranium O2 2 plus. Let me erase the label for oxidation half reaction because it's not going to be necessary and we're going to require that space. So in acidic medium, the first thing that we need to do is to balance out the number of oxygens. In this case, we have two, so two water molecules need to be added. And the number of hydrogens is going to be balanced out with protons. So we're going to add 4 protons on the right-hand side. Now uranium is going from 4 plus to 6 plus, so that means that we require 2 electrons on the right-hand side. As you can see, in this fashion, what we're going to get is that the charge is going to be balanced out. On the other hand, for manganate, the manganate ion is going to be reduced. MnO4 minus is going to be reduced into manganese 2 plus to balance the water molecules. In this case, to balance the oxygen atoms. In this case, we're going to need 4 water molecules. And on the left-hand side, we're going to need 8 protons. Also, we're going from 7 plus to 2 plus, so we're going to require 5 electrons in this case. So, with these half reactions already in place, we can just verify that the number of protons and oxygens is correct, but now we need to multiply each of these reactions by the number of electrons of the other one to ensure that they are going to cancel out properly. So the first half reaction, the one with the uranium, we're going to multiply it by 5, and the one with the manganate, we're going to multiply it by 2. After doing that and adding them up, we're going to end up with 10 water molecules plus 5 uranium 4 plus 16 protons plus 2 of manganate plus 10 electrons is going to produce 5 of uranium oxide 2 plus 20 protons plus 10 electrons plus 2 of manganese 2 plus 8 water molecules. So now the only thing that we need to do is to see what cancels out on my reaction. First of all, the number of electrons is going to cancel out. Also, the 20 protons is going to cancel out with the 16, and we're going to end up with only 4 over here. So these guys are going to go out, and over here the water molecules, 8 water molecules cancel with 8 of these 10, so we're going to end up with 2. So after canceling things out, the final reaction is going to be 5 of uranium 4 plus 2 water molecules plus 2 of manganate ion is going to produce 5 of uranium oxide 2 plus 4 protons plus 2 of manganese 2 plus. We can verify the number of oxygens is going to be balanced out. We're going to have 10 on both sides of my reaction. The number of protons is balanced out as well. We're going to have 4 on each side. And uraniums and manganese are going to be balanced as well. So this is going to be our final balanced reaction in acidic medium.